Hello friends, I want to walk you through how to create a new project in Primavera P6 from the scratch. So to create a new project, you click on the command bar and click the new project, click on the new project, this one with the plus sign, click on it and you have this pop-up. The next thing you have to do here is to select the EPS. EPS stands for Enterprise Project Structure, and in this case, the EPS I want to create the project under is the building EPS. So I click on this drop down, click on it, and this pop-up will show up. So this you have to select all the EPS you want to create your project under. So now I want to create my project under the building EPS. So I click on that to select it and use this plus button to select it, or I can double click on it. It's either you double click on it or you select it and use this select button. In this case, I want to double click on it and I've selected the building EPS. So once you see the name of the EPS you want to select, know that that has been selected. So click on next. Here you have the project ID and the project name. So in this case, my project ID is HS 2022 and the project name is house. Just type on that and click next. So this is where you have to select the project plan start date and the must finish by date. So in most projects you'll be building, the project start date will be given to you, project plan start date will be given to you, but the must finish by date will not be given. So if the project must finish by date is not given, you can leave this space as blank, just leave it blank and select the project plan start date. The project plan start date in this case will be May 25th. So click on the drop down and select the project plan start date. I can double click on it or select it and use the select button. So the must finish by date will be calculated by the software, the Primavera software. So leave that as blank, click next, and here you have to select the responsible manager. If that is given to you, you select it, or if you are asked to create it, you can create it. I also have a video on my channel on how to create the responsible manager. So go check out that video. All right. So I click on the drop down and I want to select the name Ronnie as the responsible manager. So this name will be given to you. So I select Ronnie, I can double click on it or use the select button to select it. So I want to double click on it and Ronnie has been selected as the responsible manager. This can be the name of your company, the name of the manager, or the name of the project, or the name of the zone, or just the name. This name will be given to you, all right? But in most cases, it might be the name of the company or the name of the organization you are working for, all right? So click next, and this standard rate is always standard as default. Leave it as default, and click on next. And once you get this message, congratulations, your project has been created, and you use this finish button to complete the process. So once you do that, the project will be created under the building EPS. So in this case, the project house has been created under the building EPS. And the next thing you have to do is to add the WBS and the activities. To do that, select the project you want to add the WBSs and activities and right click to open. So open it, and to add the WBS, you have to click on the WBS window, click on it, and click on the project. This is the name of the project you just created. You want to add the WBS, you can either use right click to add, or you can use this button here to add. So in this case, I have 4 WBSs, so I have to click on it 4 times to give me 4 WBSs I want to add. And I can start typing the names of the WBS. So the first WBS I have here is project start, and I have the next one as foundation. I have first floor, and I have project complete. So I want all these WBS to be under the project itself. So to do that, I'll use this arrow button here to move them to the left. So click on it, select the WBS you want to take to the left, use arrow to move it to the left, select the other one, project complete, and move it to the left. So once you have done that, you have aligned your WBSs under the project directly. So the next thing you have to do after adding your WBSs will be to create the activities. And to do that, you navigate to the activity window by clicking on the activity window, and you can start adding your activities. And you can see that these are the WBSs I've created: project start, foundation, first floor, and project complete. But you can see there are different colors. So to do that, you just use F5 as a shortcut, or you can click on File, go to Refresh Data to clean it out. So you look, better in one color like this, right? So to add my activities, I just select that the WBS you want to add activities under, and right click to add. You can also use this add button to add your activities. So whichever works best for you, you are free to use. So after adding the activity, you can type the name. So in this case, my first activity will be start activity, the start activity. So type on that, and under the foundation, the first activity there is excavation. Excavation, type on that, and I have another activity under this foundation, so I can add it here, and it's going to be what? It's going to have pour concrete, the next activity. So the first floor, I have 4 activities. I can use this one to add them real quick and type on that. So you have lay block, you have formworks, you have electrical works, you have windows, right? The project complete WBS, you have project finish as the activity. Right click on that and add it, and type it, the name of the activity, project finish, right? So this is how to add activities under the WBS you have created. And if you have done this, you have to link the activities and schedule them out so that it will calculate the project finish date. All right. So to link the activities, I'll select the first activity, click on it, then click Shift on your keyboard and click on the last activity. That will highlight all the activities in the project. Right click and use the link to link all the activities together. So we have linked all activities together. For this process to be complete, you have to schedule your project. And to do that, you can click F9 on your keyboard, or you come over here and click on schedule and schedule it out. See, so your project finish date of this project has been calculated, and it will be July 19th. You can see it at the top here. All right, so this is how to create a new project, add WBSs, and add activities in Primavera P6. If you want to watch more videos like this, how things are done in pieces, please follow me on my YouTube, like and share, and click the bell notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I drop new videos. Thank you so much and see you very soon. Bye.